You can save your settings for the Additional Labor tab. Once you click on the Save as Default button, all future projects will automatically use the Saved Settings for the Additional Labor tab. This new feature is designed to allow you to have different direct costs for each estimate, as well as reduce the amount of time needed to complete an estimate. Click the Additional Labor Description dropdown. Select an additional labor task. Enter the hours that will be applied towards each employee displayed in the Jobsite Employees tab. For example, job setup takes place every day. Employees need to bring material and tools into the unit in the morning and take them back out of the unit at the end of the day. A rule of thumb is 30 minutes per employee per day. Enter the pay rate for the employees that will be doing the additional labor task. It can be helpful to view the employees displayed in the Jobsite Employees tab. Click the Jobsite Employees tab. If the additional labor is for a single employee, add their pay rate to their burden rate. Pay rate plus burden rate equals employee's total pay rate. If the additional labor is for the entire crew, use the average cost per man-hour. Click the Additional Labor tab. Enter the pay rate from the Jobsite Employees tab. Click the Frequency dropdown. Select the frequency that the additional labor task occurs. If you want to save these additional labor tasks as the default value for future projects, click the Save as Default button. The selected values will be used for new estimates in this project, as well as all estimates in future projects. Do you want to save these values as the default values? Click the Yes button. You can change the default values if needed. You can delete additional labor tasks if needed by right-clicking on an additional labor task. Click the Delete menu item. If you change the data but want to use the default values, click the Revert to Default button. The default values will be displayed.